Yo guys, welcome to the new video. In this video, I'm going to share my exact strategy how I trade the markets using the liquidity concepts. So this is how the market moves normally in the higher highs and higher lows when it's a bullish, and this is how the people assume the market moves when it's the bearish market. But in the reality, this is how the market moves. The market moves something like this. The market, if you see here, the market didn't obey structure. There will be fake break of the structures, and there will be impulsive moves, and there will be sometimes no structure. It will just move. So in this video, I will exactly show you how to identify those types of liquidity moves and etc. So let's dive into the video. The smart money people will assume the direction of the market using the structure. So they will think it is a structure break and they will play the order blocks here. After having a break of the structure, they will play the order blocks here. After having the break of the structure, they will play the order block here. So this is everything is the fake. Structure is the pool of liquidity engineering by the market makers. So this is how the correct market moves. Liquidity grab, impulsive move, liquidity grab, pullback, liquidity grab, pullback, liquidity grab, pullback. So in the context, the liquidity is the fuel for the price. If there is no liquidity is taken, there is no movement because liquidity is where the orders are resting. There are two types of liquidity mainly. The one is retailers liquidity and the another one is smart money people liquidity. So in order to identify the liquidities, there are three types. One is pre-vested external liquidity and another one is pre-vested internal liquidity. So let's identify first what is pre-vested external liquidity and what is pre-vested internal liquidity. Pre-vested external liquidity is nothing but after using the session breaks indicator, you can identify these lines. So these are day opening and day end. The high of the day we mark it is the external liquidity and the low of the day we mark it as external liquidity. So these are the very powerful points of liquidities. When these are taken, there is possibility of reversal. So this is the exact 1:21 trade which helped me to won my 100k account FTMO. I exactly took this trade using this strategy. If you watch this video till the end, I will show you how I took the trade. I have entire checklist to follow when the liquidity is taken out. At the end of the video, I will drop out the checklist. So please watch the video till the end so that you can gain some knowledge. Let's identify the previous day's liquidities. This is the previous day liquidities. Previous day liquidity is taken out. This is the pullback. We can catch this pullback. Again, same thing. Previous day liquidity is taken out. Pullback. Previous day liquidity is taken out. Again, impulsive move going to the upwards. This is how the real market moves in the context. This is how the market moves. Again, previous day liquidity is taken out. This is where the smart money people are getting trapped. The smart money people will assume it as a fake break of the structure or break of the structure something, and they will play this order block. And this is where tons of liquidity is going to there, and we know it is liquidity. So after this is taken out, we will be in this trade. This trade. So this is Asian session. We can't trade. So I am in this trade. Same checklist in every time frame. I told you there are three types of liquidities. One is the previous external liquidity, previous internal liquidity, and what is the other one? Previous is internal liquidity, nothing but internal liquidity of the same. This is the same internal liquidity taken out. We are in this trade. Same checklist we are entering when each smart money people are getting trapped. The smart money people are getting trapped. Exactly, the price stopped after the previous stage internal liquidity is taken out. This is how the liquidities are very important in the marketplace. The liquidities are so important. See here, this is the fake smart money order block. After this was taken out, we are in this trade by simple. We trade when the liquidity is taken out. We have a separate defined checklist, objective checklist and mechanical strategy to the markets, to enter the markets and when to exit and the risk reward plan, etc. We use the same criteria over and over again. Same thing. Previous internal liquidity taken out, we can be buying here. This is how we trade the market from the liquidity point to the liquidity point. So coming to the back, we have discussed about the previous day sectional liquidity. So let's hop into the previous day internal liquidity now. For this day, for this day of Tuesday 30th May, this is the previous day sectional liquidity and this is also previous day sectional liquidity. So in between these, if there is any liquidity, it will become the previous day's internal liquidity. This is the previous day's internal liquidity. The previous day's internal liquidity are also very good turning points in the marketplace. Can you see this nice rejection move given by the market after the previous day's internal liquidity is taken out? So the first very high probable setups will come from the external liquidities, and the next very high probable setups will come from the internal liquidities, and the last high probable setups come from the same day Asian liquidity. Same thing happened over and over and again in the markets. The retailers getting trapped. Smart money is the new retail, guys. Wake up your eyes. Don't follow the sheeps. Just think yourself and observe in the markets if the smart money is performing nice. Same thing, like this is the previous day actional liquidity taken out, boom. Previous day external lows taken out, boom. We are in the sells, we are in this buys. This is how we trade the markets. This is the real scenario how the market moves, guys. I'm showing the stuff. Same thing. Previous day external taken out. Rejection. Can you see this good move? You can catch this and you can win FTM move. Same thing here. Previous days internal liquidity taken out and mitigated the imbalance. The price has dropped. Same thing. Previous day sectional liquidity taken out. It mitigated the order block. Same thing, we can be in the sell. Same thing. Exactly the price reversed after the previous low is taken out. How much reaction it gave. This is the very objective way of looking into the markets. Yeah, in this day there is a clear example of the previous day internal liquidity to show you guys. For this day, Friday, this is the previous day's external liquidity. This is also the previous day's external liquidity. The first thing when coming into the day, we should mark the previous day's highs and previous day's lows, because I told you these are the majority of the turning points in the marketplace, and after the next probable turning points are the previous day's internal liquidity market. This is the previous day internal liquidity. You can mark this as a previous day internal liquidity because these liquidities are so near. I will consider this as a liquidity and it is also equal lows. When the two external liquidities are aligning each other, it makes the liquidities very high probable because it can also be the double bottom or double high. Same thing, this liquidity is taken out, price boom. Again, I told you the third high probable setups to take is when the same day internal liquidity is taken out. These are the same day internal liquidity taken out. Can you see this move? You can capture this entire move to the fullest up to what liquidities. So basically we are entering at the liquidity and we are exiting at the liquidity. We are not taking 2 hours or 3 hours in the market. We are pumping out the market like 20 hours or 15 hours because of the liquidity concepts we know. We are exactly following the institutions and smart money. Exiting at the liquidity. So, see guys, same thing happens over and over. Previous days liquidity taken out. The market has reversed its direction. Previous external liquidity taken out, market reversed. Previous external liquidity taken out, market reversed. Yeah, this is the example of the same day Asian liquidity. This is Asian liquidity. After the Asian liquidity is taken out, the market has reversed. The liquidities are the very important topic, and it is the way the price will reverse. Same thing, you can go into the past and you can see many examples. Previous external liquidity taken out and two external liquidities are aligning each other. You know, I told you, if two external liquidities are aligning each other, it's a very high probable setup, and you can be in this price also because this is previous day internal liquidity. From the previous day internal liquidity, you can buy, and from the previous day external liquidity, you can sell. This is objective in nature because we are following the liquidity, right? We are just entering the market after the all the smart money people and retail people are taken up. If you are in this cell, you should ask yourself where are the sheeps will enter, where the smart money people will enter this order block, right? Because they think it is a break of the structure. They don't see it as a liquidity gap. They think it has a break of the structure, and according to the structure I told you, they will analyze the market. So that's why this pause came. This is where the smart money people engineered liquidity. This is the engineered liquidity of the smart money people. They want to buy price, buy price, buy price, buy price, because they think it is the order block. This is the very very clean order block, because they think they did have imbalance or something. But we know according to the strategy, it's just a liquidity grab. We know they think that oh, it will go to the moon, but it's just a liquidity gap. We enter after the liquidity is taken out. This is how we are different from the smart money people. We are just doing opposite to the smart money people. Same thing. After this liquidity is taken out in the marketplace, the smart money people will buy. If you see this reaction, why it was came, this is just engineered liquidity by the market makers. Because if there is no smart money people is taken out, taking the buys, the market maker should increase the curiosity in the buyers. So they will create these types of candles to induce more type of buyers. That's why these reaction candles came. This is again draw. Like the same scenario happened also here. They will engineer the liquidity in the marketplace. Same thing. It happens over and over and again, guys. I am using this strategy since last year and it is working wonders. Same thing. Previous sectional liquidity taken out. We know the market is gonna reverse. Will be sells in here. Again, this is where the previous low is taken out. We can catch this sell. These are the moves you should take on the daily basis, because you can catch every move in the market literally when you understand the liquidity. But I don't recommend you to do that. You should have a specific checklist and psychology and self-discipline in the markets in order to trade the markets. Same thing. Previous sectional liquidity taken out. I got into the buys. Same thing. This is the This is another example of the previous internal liquidity. For this day, this is the previous day high. This is the previous day low, and this is the previous day internal liquidity. I told you. And after the previous day internal liquidity is taken out, we got an entry pattern, and we entered here. It gave 20 RR. Simple. Again for this day also. Previous day liquidity is taken out. This is the previous day high, previous day low. Why I am telling these previous day highs and previous days low are liquidities means, because from the past day it gave a break of the structure. So many smart money people will buy sell from here and try to buy from this order block. So this is the liquidity now. This becomes the liquidity. To create the higher low of the day, the market maker should induce the liquidities. Can you see the this is the ICT's daily candle formation, accumulation, manipulation, sweep. This is the common sell candle, how it looks like. And this is the common buy candles, the accumulation, manipulation, sweep. This is how the market moves. Again, sell side liquidity taken, where we can be in this buys. Buy side liquidity taken, sells. Again, can you see here the previous sectional liquidity according to the strategy? We can be in the buys. Again, sell side liquidity is taken. You know it will be amazing for you guys, because of this strategy the win rate is very high when compared to the other strategies are there in the market. So I want to give you guys a gift. I will break down a recent trade I took according to the strategy, and I will explain why I took it. Go to 1 minute. I will explain the same. So basically my checklist is, after the liquidity is taken out, I should wait for the smart money people to get out it from the market. I should see a fake break of the structure before a reversal. That's my main checklist. This is the smart money structure going in. Smart money structure. This is the fake break of the structure. Now the liquidity is engineered in the market here. So this is the liquidity. This is the manipulation with the speed and aggression. So after and it is also a trendline liquidity. Everything is aligning here. Selling short. After this a dozy candle formation, I am in the sell with 3 stop loss. I will give you the checklist as I promised at the starting of the video. if you want to know exactly how I trade using this liquidity concepts, you can join the June mentorship which I am running now. There are only few spots left on the table. I will leave the link in the description. You can join from there. Identify liquidity. So this is the exact checklist I use, and at the last point I wanna add my separate indicator of divergence, private indicator, which I custom coded. This is the divergence. If the divergence is showing the short, it will exactly show the price sentiment, the real sentiment. See, if you see in the divergence, my special indicator, the price is going up, but my special indicator is showing the price is going down. So it was indicating that sentiment has changed after the liquidity is taken out. So this is the extra confidence I use. But to access to this indicator, you should join my mentorship. Then only I can give. So if you want to join the mentorship, you can just click the link in the description and join. But, yeah. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Have a good day, guys. Peace.